guys, in today's video, we are going to be filling up the whole machine in Animal Company with the
shredders.
Yeah, with the nut shredders
These
that are
things.
full of lava crystals. So the only items you're going to be needing: grappler, doesn't matter what size, a nut shredder, 100%, grappler or pickaxe,
I'm gonna need a nut shredder.
and
I'm gonna get
a rocket.
pickaxe.
Only one rocket,
Oh yeah, we need rockets.
but I'm gonna bring two because I like being there faster. But
Yeah, me too.
you only need one place. I mean, I don't even know why you did that. Just eat an MRE.
This shredder is gonna be just gonna go super fast.
Man, you gotta get out! Bro, I'm stuck. Yo, where you at? Gage. Penguin. Yo, where you at?
I'm at the rock wall forest where there's like a ton of rocks.
Alright, I found the one place where there's a ton of freaking lava crystals. Guys, go sub the Proper Penguin. I know I said this before, but just go sub to him. He's underrated. He needs more subs. Trust. Especially me. I need more subs. But I'm not begging for anything. But make sure y'all subscribe and like. And if you like this video, subscribe and comment down below that you liked it and what I should do next. What I should fill up the machine with next, or what exactly I should do next. If you want to be featured in a different video, like in a video like a Proper Penguin was, just subscribe and comment down your username, and I might add you. Maybe one of the lucky ones. Where you get added. Oh, I'm full. I'm full with first batch. I'm full with the first one. Once you spawn all the way back, bring all your loot into the stash. I don't even need this anymore. I just want this one. Right here. We're gonna learn so much money. These 2 joints. And yeah, by the way, you guys don't even need 2 rockets. Y'all just need 1. Or if y'all want to go the normal way. But we're going this way because, it's faster. And I'll get y'all once I'm done. See you later.
Tell him. What's it?
Before Gage's VR dies.
My VR dies. What?
Because yours always dies super fast. I don't know how.
No, it doesn't.
Alright, let's sell this batch.
No, don't sell yet.
Don't sell.
Don't sell.
We can't do all of them at once and it won't work.
Yeah, hey, sell this. Sell.
It's not gonna work. I guarantee it should work, but if it doesn't, I swear.
Anything you want me to. Money talks. Dun, dun. Money talks.
Money talks.
Dirty cash I want
Money
you.
talks.
Anything you want. Anything you want me to. Money talks.
Bro, that's a perfect amount of number, 150K.
Yeah, that's perfect. Anything you want me to.
Money talks. Money talks. Dirty cash, I need you. Dirty cash, I need you. Whoa.
Money talks.
Money talks.
Dirty
Yeah,
cash.
Yo, perfect number again.
Dirty cash, I need